In order to hang drywall directly over a brick wall, you must first apply construction adhesive to the backside of the drywall. Most construction adhesives will work for this purpose, but there are some that are specifically designed to use with drywall. Though the adhesive will do most of the work, it will not immediately secure the sheet. So we're driving several concrete nails around the perimeter of each piece. We're driving them through the drywall and into the mortar joints because the mortar is easier to penetrate than the brick itself. Just like drywall, nails, or screws, these nails must be driven just below the surface so they can be covered later with drywall joint compound. Now once the sheets are hung, finishing the drywall is exactly like it is anywhere else. Tape the seams and apply coats of joint compound until the surface is smooth.